That tremendous low spot that we tried to get out of it during the layup. We really couldn't push too much of it out. A nice solid core layup there, but we're going to need some glass on the outside to get our convex back. All right, checking in with Joe. Just got done doing the layup on the forward deck. Come in here, knock that down, get it faired. Joey's finishing up, doing the fairing on the front of the bow deck. All part of making it Metan. Joe is finished with his fabrication up forward. Got his camber back. Beautiful job recreating the halter deck joint. Sanding down our body work on our gunnel cap. Derek hits them down 36 on the DA. And then Eric comes back right in back of him, melts it out with the jitterbug, and then finishes it off the old-fashioned way by hand. Young craftsmanship at its best. There's the future of making it Metan. How's Derek and Eric doing? Moving on to some fairing. We're back at the sand lot. Sanding, sanding, sanding. Fairing, fairing, fairing. Body work's all done. Well, Joe is coming in to lay 3, 4, 5 coats. Durotech ultra high build. Oh, Joe's excited. He's using his new gun. That's how come you wanted to stay tonight. Not to be with your father. No. Wanted to use the new gun. How many coats is that? 4. Nice, Joe. Very nice. The formula gunnel cap is complete in ultra high build. Ready for final coating. Joe did a great job fabricating our bow nose. Just came out mint. Got our camber back really nice. Nice job, men.